What's up everybody, Rob here with Adventure Bound Off-Road. Welcome back to the channel, and I am starting a new goal for myself. Behind me is the YJ project. Our first video was getting the rear frame section of this built, and I haven't touched it since. So I am setting a goal for myself to get one thing done on this build each and every day. I'm gonna record it, and at the end of that week, Mike's gonna put it all together in a vlog style video, and that's gonna be the YJ update, and that's going to be in the YJ playlist. Follow along. Today, we're going to cut the body mounts off and replace them with some heavy duty GenRight body mounts. Today, I'm going to be cutting off the OEM body mounts, fluffing and buffing, making it look all nice, and then we're going to locate and weld the new GenRight heavy duty body mounts in place. These notch into the frame, so they're gonna be quite a bit stronger, and they also provide 1 inch of body lift, so we don't have to run a spacer. So I'm roughly going to mark center, so that way I know where to put the new mount. This doesn't have to be exact, because when we mock them up and we set the body on there, there is some play, and we can also adjust these. I'm not going to be fully welding these in place until I have my final fitment. Let's make some sparks. Mounts are cut off, welds are ground down. Now I'm gonna go in, fill in any imperfections with weld, grind those welds down, then we should be able to DA sand it and weld our new brackets on. Well, remember to turn on your gas. Ready to move on to the next side? Exact same steps. Got to fill in some imperfections with weld, grind down those welds, and then we'll tack those in place. Call it a day. Body mounts are all knocked out, and tomorrow we are going to be setting the body down onto the chassis and doing any modifications to the tub so that way it can fit with the new back half kit. So things went pretty good today. It's all cleaned up. These body mounts are gonna give us about 1 inch of body lift, which is right around what we need. Stoked.